We will now introduce the personal agent login, which is a user-based interface that allows for a user to manage their clients, their services, and functions within the application server. Here we'll see various personal address books. You can add users and groups by simple addition. Uh, we're going to here add an example. We can provide presence information. As we're looking at information, we're going to go ahead and save him, and this now shows up as a user. We can group these into, we can take these users and put them into groups in order to manage the address books. Call logs, information in and out of the system. Global address book, we can look within the system and um, find users and their numbers and within the system in order to add them to the directory. Here we're going to go ahead and add the system. Now as we come back to the personal directory, I now have 2 users within my environment. Preferences, I can look at various pieces of information, my Meet Me conferencing, access numbers, access codes, settings, I can change my pins. Same with my unified communications. This is not fully set up at the moment. Presence, what's my availability, report when I'm on the phone, report when inactive, how long I can be inactive and such like that. Routes, here I'm going to come back up here to my personal profile, and I can define what my times of day from a time of day routing perspective. I'm going to go ahead and modify this one here, and let's go ahead and edit him, and we're going to say, yeah, well, it's going to take some lunch here. Save. Now my time of day routing is modified. So if I wanted to come in here and add an advanced call route, I can add one, initiate action, time of day routing, conditions, when I receive a call from these telephones numbers, I want the following to occur. Ring my devices. And ah, specific times of days. There we go. During office hours. There we go. So time and conditions, when this user comes from this number during these times of day, then I'm going to allow it to ring my client, and then I can ring it to subsequent numbers through Find Me, Follow Me services. So I'm going to go ahead and add it 4 times. I'm going to select another phone number. And are there any exceptions to this? Again, classifying on groups, numbers, anonymous, etc. We'll go ahead and save that. I now have a time of day routing rule.